Good morning. I am Dr. T. Ravichandran, Professor, the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today, the second lecture class, we are discussing about the Artificial Intelligence, the AL 3391, the subject code. The subject is Artificial Intelligence. Last class, we are discussing about the introduction of AI and agent and environments. Now we are discussing introduction for the artificial intelligence. Already we are discussed deeply. The goals are already discussing the last videos. We are the types of agents and environments and the simple relax agents and model based relax agent, goal based agent and utility agent and learning agent and multi-agent systems and hierarchical agents. Last class we are deeply discussed. These all the agents are we are discussing, and today class we are discussing about the agents are used in the wide range of applications in artificial intelligence. Totally we are discussed the very scriptive and very short form of the structure. We are planning the intelligence we are used from the agent in artificial applications. The robotics, the agent can be used to control robots and automated tasks in manufacturing, transportations and other industries. The agent acts as a robot, can be used to control for the automated to the manufacturing industry, transportations and other industries. The smart home and building applications. The agent can be used to control the heat and light and other systems of the smart home and build the optimizing energy used for improving the comfort. Nowadays we are more famous and developed the industry for the smart home applications. So we are using the agent can be controlled with all the light and heater systems, smart home buildings and optimizing energy use to improve the comfortness. So more number of sensors are built into the, given that the right inputs, we are operated through the in artificial intelligence structure. We are using the Internet of Things. We are generated to control the smart home applications. And third one as a transportation systems. Agent can be used to manage the traffic flow and optimize the route for autonomous vehicles, improve the logistics and supply chain managements. So the transportation systems, the agent can be used to manage the traffic flow and optimization route flow of the autonomous vehicles and improve the logistics and supply chain management. The very important application for the agent you can use for healthcare. Agent can be used to monitor the patients, provide the personalized treatment plans and optimize the healthcare resource allocations. Is a very important for the artificial intelligence applications can use in the agents. Financial systems. The agent can be used to automatic trading, fault predictions, risk management in the financial industries. We are nowadays the trading can use the more number of algo trading structure. So automatically the trading to be on generated to improve the wealth creations for algo trading structure, where the agent to learn the lot of historical data and generate it to the trade and automatically. So algo trading structure, we are detecting the fault instructions and risk management to be on followed the given the corresponding structure. Game. Agent can be created to intelligent opponent of the game simulations, provide the more challenge and realistic experience to the players. These are very important industry applications. They are using that agent perform the realistic game to improve the human skill. Natural language process. The agent can be used the language translations, question answering, chatbots that communicate with user the natural language structure. Nowadays, the more number of chatbots comes on there. So that structure we are creating the natural language process. Cyber securities. The agent can be used to instruction detections and malware analysis and network securities. The environmental monitoring. The agent can be used to monitor and manage the natural resources, track the climate changes, and improve the environmental and sustainability. Social media. The agent can be used to analyze the social media data, identify trends and patterns, and provide the personalized recommendations to be used in the users. The more number of applications are there, the very specific and more important applications, only the 10 applications we are discussed today. The agents are used to wide range of applications in the artificial intelligence. We are deciding the robotics. Everyone knows the robotic manufacturing structure. Nowadays is the growing industries for the smart home applications. This is a very important one. Third one is the transportation system. More number of cars nowadays comes on that automatic cars. So automatically the cars will be on decision to make through the reach your destination. So the another one industries comes on that fast growing. And the fourth one as the healthcare, all type of operations to exact and accurate and more number of patient monitoring and the decision to taken from that, the treatment plan and everything. These are very important for healthcare applications. Financial applications, the more number of wealth creation structure can use the algo trading and risk management structure. Nowadays is a very big industries, the booming industries for the game, the realistical game to challenge with the human brain to solve the all problem in the agent. So the game theory has a very important role in application for artificial intelligence. The natural language process is analyzed to machine to interact with the human to use from the chatbots and the natural language process the instruction to be on decisions. And next one has the cyber security. The cyber security detect the unwanted informations and malware analysis, network controls and network security structures. Environmental monitoring, monitor the natural resources, track the climate changes and improve the environment sustainability. Social media, and nowadays the intelligence system to track all that social media, which one you want automatically to decide it, the human interest and everything to support to give that the ad and personalized recommendations. Your recommendation, which one is correct or not. The recommendation systems is a more important to the agent applications. Thank you very much.